Thankful Reflections, a Thanksgiving message from All Things Money. Hey everyone! During Thanksgiving, the team at All Things Money wanted to take a moment to express our deepest gratitude to each and every one of you, our amazing YouTube community. Your support, engagement, and kind words throughout the year have truly made a difference, and we feel incredibly lucky to share our passion with you all. Expressing genuine gratitude. Whether you've been here since the beginning or recently joined, your likes, comments, and subscriptions are what fuel this channel and allow All Things Money to keep creating content that hopefully brings you joy, information, or helps you learn about things you did not know about or deepens your understanding of others. This Thanksgiving, we are thankful for the incredible community we've built together. You're not just viewers, you're a supportive family, and we are so grateful to be a part of it. The impact of our community. Your active participation and thoughtful comments are the lifeblood of our channel. Each interaction, whether it's a suggestion, a question, or a simple thumbs up, motivates us to continue producing content that resonates with you. We appreciate every moment you spend with us and the dialogues we have through this platform. Connecting to the spirit of Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving is a time to reflect on the blessings in our lives, and our community is undoubtedly one of ours. This holiday reminds us of the importance of community and giving thanks, and we want to extend our heartfelt appreciation to all of you who make All Things Money a vibrant and welcoming space. Inviting interaction. We invite you to share your own Thanksgiving experiences or traditions in the comments below. Do you have any special dishes you prepare? Or perhaps a unique tradition that you look forward to each year? We'd love to hear about it all. Engaging with you not only strengthens our bond, but also enriches our community with diverse perspectives and shared experiences. Your stories add a personal touch to our channel and foster a sense of unity that we cherish deeply. Wishing you a joyful Thanksgiving. Wishing you all a very happy and meaningful Thanksgiving filled with love, laughter, and delicious food. May this holiday season bring you closer to your loved ones and remind you of all the things you are grateful for. With sincere thanks, the All Things Money team. P.S. Do you have any special Thanksgiving traditions you'd like to share in the comments below? We look forward to reading your stories and learning more about the wonderful ways you celebrate this special day.
As always, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel, All Things Money, to see more content like this.